Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Where Wendy Creates. Today, I want to take a pair of my husband's pants, and I want to put a few darts in it, and that way he has lost weight, and so we can really, instead of buying a new pair of pants, I'm going to dart these up. So right over the back pockets, I'm going to take about 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch pinch here, and I'm going to stitch straight right across the fabric just like that, okay? So let's put this, I'm using my Singer heavy duty sewing machine. It is really great for doing these stronger, rougher, tougher subjects like rolled over blue jean, like we're doing now. And I'm just starting it, reversing it, going forward. Now it's important to have this side come to a V and go right off the fabric without any other bulk or luster underneath the fabric. Okay, and that is not going to affect him when he's wearing the pants. Trim our threads. Now, if they're too tight, if he gains back weight, we just pop that dart right back out and we are good to go again. Now, if we want to do it matching, if we've lost a lot of weight, we can take it right on the other side and do the same thing. So this side, I'm only going to take a 1/2 inch. So we're really taking about 2.5 inches out of the bulk of these pants. So I'm going to put the bulkier part under my foot, lift up my foot. Now I'm not interfering with that waistband, so make sure there when you see the little tuck for the belt, we're not going to use that part. I just go over it a couple of times, that way it's not going to untie itself in a quick way. And look at that. You'd not know that anything was done or different from these pants if you were to look at these, right? So there's the one side, here's the other side, and we are all done. I'm loving this. Okay, so we need to take in a little bit at the front. We've got some bulky area in the front. We've already done the 2 darts in the back by the pockets. Now we're going to come right in here and do another 2 darts right here, okay, on either side before we get into the pocket. So I'm going to grab a piece here. And depending upon how much weight we need to take in, you can bring in 1 inch, you can bring in a 1/2 inch, bring in whatever you need to make the pants feel more comfortable and not like they're going to fall off of you. And then in some time, we can get new pants if we want to in the right size, but we want to make sure that the weight loss is going to be permanent. So we can do this quick fix since this is a quality pair of pants and we do want to keep them. All right, and just like that, my friends, lift your needle, cut your thread, and you are done. And look at this. It comes all the way out to the end, goes all the way in, and you've got some of that bulk taken in that you don't need to worry about the pants falling off. Beautiful. So just trim your threads. And you are all set. If you wanted to do the other side, just grab them just like that. Fold them over. And I do want you to note, did you look at the clock? Did you look at the time on this, my friends? I've done 3 darts in less than 5 minutes. This is not a burden if your sewing machine is set up. So if your sewing machine is set up, it is, let me lower down the camera. This is literally this easy, this fast, this easy. So when you have your sewing machine set up, any kind of alterations you need to do, it's actually fun. And, haha, I feel accomplished. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. This one's even smoother than the first. Beat that. All right, now we are ready to have them try them on again.